Dabaweños take pride in the quality of their water in the city, which was once known as one of the cleanest drinking water in the world.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Good day. This is Councilor Danny Daeng Hirang. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Mahalin po natin ito. We will be discussing isa sa mga major project ng Davao City. Ang tinatawag naming Apo Agua Infrastructura Incorporated. Any governance, lahat ng LGU, isa sa program nila yung water system ng kanilang munisipyo, probinsya at saka city. In the case of Davao City, meron kami dating Davao City Water District. It is a semi-government corporation, but may problema po sa supply ng water and hindi makayanan dahilan sa massive development ng Davao City. Umaabot na yung Davao City ng 2 million. So nagkaroon ng private-public partnership sa pamamagitan ng Aboitiz Group of Companies and the Davao City Water District. Ang Davao City Bulk Water Supply Project is to supplement the growing demand for clean water supply in Davao City. Kasi 2 million population, you can just imagine that araw-araw maliligo, condominium, mga kinakailangan ng mga restaurants. So, we need to have a good water. Yung source ng tubig was declared as protected area. Yung aming Panigan, Tamugan River. Yung water na yan galing sa Mount Apo, pababa dito sa lungsod ng Davao. And as a matter of protecting the environment, the city government of Davao, kami, yung gobyerno, we pass an ordinance protecting the said area. Para reserva lang talaga yun sa water. Now, to complement this, to protect the environment, ako yung sponsor. We pass an ordinance banning mining. Bawal ang pagmimina dito sa Davao para hindi masira yung water supply. And yung ordinance na yun was also approved. Now, you have already the source of water which was already protected under the law sa local government. Yung pagpapadala na lang ng tubig pababa. So, hindi mo naman pwedeng dalhin yung tubig dito na walang mga technology. So, you must have a water treatment. From the water, ipapasok yan sa water treatment bago i-distribute. Nakikita niyo dyan sa video, courtesy to Apo Agua Infrastructura. I-distribute ito sa buong Luzon ng Davao. And yung tubig na lalabas ay meron ng water treated na pwede nang mainom. And because of this, buong Davao ngayon walang problema kami sa water. Sobra-sobra yung water namin dito. Dahil dito sa combination of private and public partnership. Hindi kasi kaya lahat ng mga malalaking project ng gobyerno. So, kailangan mo ng private corporation. Then, nagkakaroon ng tie-up. Now, yung dating mga pipelines namin, which was constructed long time ago by the Davao City Water District through the Local Utilities Water Administration and the local government of Davao. Yun na lang ang gagamitin naming pipelines ng Apo Agua. So yung tubig, trabaho ng private corporation sa Aboitiz Group of Companies, ibababa nila yung tubig, pero yung gagamitin na pipelines ay government pipelines yung sa water district. And because of this, napakaganda po ng tubig. Dito makikita ninyo sa mga pictures, nilalabi po namin ito kasi yung distrito ko talagang problema yung tubig. Second District of Davao. Not only Second District, but almost 60 or 70% problema ng water noon. Pero ngayon, okay na. Dahil dito sa Apo Agua Infrastructura Project by the Water District and the Aboitiz Group of Companies. Ngayon, dito sa lungsod ng Davao, hindi ka na kailangan mamimili pa ng drinking water. Kasi yung sa faucet mismo, pwede mo nang inumin. At saka dito, pag maligo ka, napakaganda sa skin mo. Yung water na yan ay galing sa Tamugan, Panigan River from the foothills of Mount Apo. So, makikita mo yung Davao parang kawa yan eh. Pag ganun, bukid nun dito sa taas, Mount Apo, pababa yan. Then ang Davao, nasa Davao Gulf area. Plain area yan, sa Bisaya papatag na ang nagpuyo de 2 milyones ka mga tao. Una ni Daog, si President Rudy Duterte, pagka-presidente, iya kaning gipatrabaho in close coordination of the local government units as well as private and public corporation na mag-combine ng resources para maganda ang water ng Davao City. Ngayon, Davao is growing because maganda ang tubig. Isa sa kinakailangan ng investors to come is water. Pag wala kang tubig, saan ka kukuha ng panligo ng trabahante mo? Saan ka kukuha ng requirements ng kumpanya mo kung walang tubig? And we have also enough power supply dito sa lungsod ng Davao. So congratulations to the Aboitiz Group of Companies and the Davao City Water District for the private and public partnership concept. May tinatawag kami niya sa public administration, yung big brother relationship. Katong mga dagkong kumpanya sa private, mutabang sa gobyerno. Then mukamap silang PPP project. Kay usahay ang resources sa gobyerno kulang. And this is one of the best model of the private and public corporation on water industry development of a certain local government unit. This started here in the city of Davao under Mayor Rudy Duterte and continued by the next generation of Dutertes and the people of Davao. So karon ang taga Davao lipay kay gwapo ang among tubig. Hanggat sa muli, God bless Philippines. This is Councilor Dayang Hirang. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.
A political analyst, Danny Dayang Hirang, shares his commentaries and analysis on the latest issues. As a veteran public servant, offering his insights and critical thinking. As an educator, he speaks the truth that matters. Our seasoned legislator, Danny Dayang Hirang, is live every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Follow us on our social media platforms for more details. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.